So no matter how many rounds you're chanting, or how many you're sleeping 1 hour a day or 19 hours a day, whatever, so many things you may be doing, whatever you're doing. But if this feeling's not coming, if this mood is not coming, this attitude is not coming, then all your numbers that you're adding up, your so many hours sleep and so many japa rounds, they added up to zero. It's all about transformation and creation of a new taste. We talk about param drisva nivartate. It's, we want to see a higher reality. Param means a higher reality. Param drisva. Nivartan means param drisva nivartante. So we param drisva, this is in Gita verse. Param means the topmost transcendental thing. Drisva means to see. So we should want, if we're driven by the desire to see that topmost thing, which is the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna, then nivartante. Just that desire will be so encompassing and will become so obsessed with that desire to see Radha and Krishna that nivartante, that everything else will get destroyed. We can see that. Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 verse 59. Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehina rasavarjam rasopyasya param dristva nivartate. Param dristva nivartate. Nivartate means he ceases from, he stops, he desists, he rejects, he renounces. Param dristva, this is the key point. It says raso varjam rasopyasya. Raso varjam. Varja means varjita, it means to give up. So we give up that ras, we give up the ras of enjoying the senses because we want to see that the stronger our desire is to see Krishna, the sooner we can give up the rasa varjam of material indriya. Vishayi means sense, vishayi means sense enjoyment. Param drisva nivartante. So that's the whole point. This verse is saying param drisva, we should want to see param, the transcendental reality. We're in the material reality, but we want to see the spiritual reality. And the stronger our desire to see Radha and Krishna, the sooner we'll become detached from this world, just by that desire. We're chanting Hare Krishna. Please show yourself to me. You are here, Radha and Krishna. I want to see you. And you're doing puja. Please, please reciprocate. This is a whole inner prayer. This whole inner prayer. Please reveal yourself. Yoga Maya, please reveal. Oh Gurudev, please reveal. Oh Krishna, please reveal. Oh Radharani, please reveal yourself. I want to see you. This is what we see in the Prayojana Tattva and the concluding teachings of Das Goswami. The whole idea is about seeing Radha and Krishna in their lilas and serving them there. And this is the goal. We want to go there. We want to go there. Spiritual world. So we're meditating, trying to be there in our meditation. But the substratum of the whole practice of Raganuga Bhakti is I want to see Radha and Krishna. I want to serve Radha and Krishna. And that desire creates a thirst. And so automatically, if sleeping, you increase your sleep, or decrease your sleep, or you decrease your eating, or decrease, it doesn't matter, but we should increase our desire more and more. And automatically other things we'll read, we'll hear, we'll chant, we'll pray. Because everything has a goal. Everything has some objective, final point. You can say final point. For everyone is born, death is certain. For one who's been born, death is certain. So what is our goal? Our objective is to see Krishna. We say love. What is the goal of Krishna consciousness? Krishna Prem. Well, why don't you say the goal of Krishna consciousness is see God? Is that right? Is there something wrong with that? What is Prem? Can you love someone you can't see? We're trying that. We're trying to love Krishna, but we want to see Him and love Him also. In our manasik murti, the form of Krishna in our mind, or our bahir, this external form we see in our murti puja, or chitra puja, pictures, whatever. We want to join, to leave this world and enter that world is the function of Yogamaya. Yogamaya is the curtain. And now there's one curtain, and we can't see on the other side. Because in the Yogamaya, that's in 7th chapter, verse 25 of Gita. Naham prakashya sarvasya Yogamaya samanvrita. So Yogamaya is acting here, samanvrita. Everyone is completely covered by Yogamaya in the form of Mahamaya. Naham prakashya, this is Gita, Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, verse 25. Naham prakashya sarvasya. I am not manifest, no one can see me. Krishna is telling Gita, no one can see me. Naham, I am not prakash. I am not manifest to anybody. Why? Yogamaya samanvrita. Anvrita means I'm covered. Everyone's covered by my Yogamaya in a form of, because there's only one, but it's Mahamaya. Because they're not thinking of me. So for the devotee, then, aham prakasha sarvasya, not naham. Aham. For the devotee, he takes shelter of Yogamaya, the internal energy. Oh Yogamaya, oh Katyayani. Katyayani can be worshipped as one of, there's 9 forms of Durga. Brahmacharini, Katyayani, Kushmanda, Durga, Shailaputri. There are 9 different forms they worship in Navaratri. 9 days of worshiping, 9 forms of Durga. So one is Katyayani. But Katyayani has her, and all of them, for that matter, have their Mahamaya aspect and their Yogamaya aspect. The gopis of Vrindavan, around this time of the year, a little bit before, a couple of months, in Mrigashirsh, they were worshipping Katyayani, Murti of Katyayani out of sand, and all the puja samagri for Durga puja, and all the mantras for Durga puja. But they were praying to goddess Katyayani. Katyayani Mahamaye Mahayoganyadishwari Nanda Gopa Sutam Devim Patim Me Kurute Namaha. Oh, Mahamaya. Oh Katyayani, you are Mahamaya, you are the great yogini. Please, you make the son of Nanda Maharaj our husband. Nanda Gopa Sutta, the son of Nanda Maharaj. Please make him our husband. So they were worshipping Durga, worshipping Katyayani, but praying towards Yogamaya. So we pray to Yogamaya, please make Krishna Prakash. So for the devotee, when he's favored by Yogamaya, by Sita Devi, Yogamaya, then it's not Naham Prakashya Sarvasya, it's Aham Prakashya Bhaktasya. 725 of Gita says, Naham Prakashya Sarvasya, but for when Yogamaya favors the devotee, then it's Aham Prakashya Bhaktasya. I am manifest to my devotees. Aham Bhaktasya. So this is the role of Yogamaya is very important for us. Knowingly or unknowingly, you may not know about Yogamaya, but when that final day comes, or that glorious day comes when Yogamaya opens the curtain and shows us the beautiful stage of Krishna Lila with all the players that we're hankering to be with and hankering to serve beside, then we will rejoice with the mercy of Yogamaya, allowing us to see everything. Aham Prakashya Bhaktasya Yogamaya Samanvrita. Then we will become completely, the bhakta will become completely covered by Yogamaya. And he sees, then everything, then instead of, because Mahamaya disconnects us. Yoga means to connect. Yoga, yoking, connecting. There's an English word, yoke. You yoke the bulls together, Y-O-K-E. That means you tie them together. So 2 bulls will plow the field with some wood that connect them. So yoga means to connect. So Mahamaya is disconnecting us from Krishna. Disconnecting us from seeing Krishna, disconnecting us from entering Leela. But then Yogamaya, she acts to connect us to Krishna's form. We see Krishna in the name, in the form, in the Murti, in everywhere. And Yogamaya, so now, when the devotee is in the stage of bhav, then Yogamaya connects all his senses to Krishna. So he sees Krishna everywhere, he hears Krishna's flute in the mantra. This is the experience of the advanced devotee, because Yogamaya becomes his friend. Maya is not our enemy. Maya is our friend. Mahamaya is also our friend, because her duty is to make us good. Mahamaya's job is to make us good devotees. So she does whatever she needs to do to make us good devotees. Mahamaya can make you famous, Mahamaya can make you infamous, Mahamaya can make you healthy, sick, anything. Whatever required to make you better devotee. Then Yoga Mahamaya will say, okay, now I've done my work, I turn you over to Yogamaya. And Yogamaya, so it's like someone is beating you with this hand, and this hand they have a cake. It's a nice cake, and just pop, pop, pop. Okay, are you surrender? Yeah, you're ready. You're okay now. Oh. So you get the cake. Finally, you get Yogamaya becomes the friend of the devotees. So this is Yogamaya.